What you can also do is capture out videos by using Shotcut. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around into File right here, and then you can see that Open Other is an option. And then once you go around over here, you can select out audio and video device. If you have a capture card right here, you can also see an option right here. And I'm just going to go around over here, and you can choose around the video input source right here and press OK. And then what happens is that you will be able to see the video input right here, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto, let's say, for example, onto File, and then I'm going to go to Export, and I'm going to go around and select out video right here. So once I do that here, you can see Capture File is an option. So what you need to do is click on Capture File, and what happens is that the Explorer window opens up where you can actually go around and save out the file. So once you hit on save, what happens is that it starts capturing the file right here. So it is capturing the video according to what is being seen on your camera. And once you press stop, what happens is that the video will be captured out, and you can see its preview right here, as you can see right here. So what you can do is now you can go around and then use it as any other video clip, and then bring it onto the timeline right here, as you can see. So that is how you can capture out videos inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.